Hey guys, today I'm going to do a unbox of things that I was given or bought by myself on my birthday, October last month. So here is the bag. Oh, it's like a LV bag, but this is one item that is LV, okay? So let's get started. First thing is this bag, this cute little bag. I got it from a website Phuong. Actually, friend gave it to me, but it's super cute and it's adjustable. It's like a waist little purse, and it have a chain that kind of look like Chanel chain. So I think it's gonna go on like this. It's something like this. So you can either put it on the jeans things, or you can just wear it like this, and it's super cute. That's why I got it. So it's very sleek if you're gonna wear it, a blazer, and then you this on outside the blazer. Yeah, and it's adjustable, so you want it high, you want it low, you want it more tight, but it's super duper cute. There's nothing special about this bag, but it's cool because you can basically take all the card and put in here and a little lipstick, and it's fit perfectly. So this is have a it's a little hard to open here, but yeah, this is the first one. Next one is a little two gifts from my boyfriend. It's the most wonderful or the best birthday gift ever that I ever received. Because this is like a replacement for the old one, but it was given like on my birthday. It's just an Apple AirPod. Let's see. Yeah, it's just an old generation, but I really like it. Next one. It's a watch from, how do you say it? T-Sauce? Yeah, because I think after I told him that my watch is broken and it's not that good, so on my birthday he decided to give me a new watch. Very, very cute. It's come with a box and I haven't even opened it yet. Super cute. adjust the time and watch it, wear it later. I like it a lot. Put it back. That's a cute bag too. And then my sister, she got me this. It's like 10 pieces mask from Sephora. So it's sort of like a collected mask from Dr. George. So I tried one of these masks before and I really like it. So my sister got it for me and I haven't opened it since. But after today, I'm going to just open and start using it more and more. And last but not least is a special one. It's a present for myself. From me to me. You see it? Yeah, it's a Louis Vuitton bag. So what's special about this is like I love yellow, and then I've been trying to find something that yellow that I can like, and I found it. This is the one. Super cute, like a bucket bag. I got this right. I ordered it online and then right the day, 2 days before my birthday, I went into a store and picked it up. So yeah, this is what it is. A yellow saffron bag from Louis Vuitton. And I opened it and wear it once on my birthday dinner. So I just want to show what I have. I always feel like I deserve something every year, so I decided to get a bag. This year it's like a special 30 when I turn 30, so I want to work harder and make more money so I can like reward myself a little something every year on my birthday, and to the special ones that I care about. So yeah, that's it for this little tiny haul today. And I hope you guys are gonna support more videos coming your way, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll have the I can make more videos for you guys. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Yeah, I'm gonna start using this. This is my makeup today.